Hey there, I'm Rita with Simple Slides. Thank you so much for checking out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time we post. Today, we'll be going over a step-by-step tutorial on what you need to know before you get started on Google Slides. Since its inception, Google Slides has become one of the leading presentation tools and an excellent alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint. Here at Simple Slides, we decided to create a Google Slides tutorial for you. In this Google Slides tutorial, we're going to show you how to add, duplicate, move, delete, or hide slides in Google Slides presentations. Whether you are starting a blank presentation from the menu bar, editing your first slide, or a new slide, this video is the Google Slides tutorial you need. Remember, you must have a Google account in order to work on Google Slides. Luckily, it's completely free. Once you're logged into your Google account, it's time to create your presentation. To do this, open the Slides home screen from slides.google.com. From the left of the screen, click Start a New Presentation and select New. You can now edit, add, or format images, text, or videos within Slides to suit your presentation. Let's start with how you can create a new slide. There are various ways you can create a new slide in Google Slides. The easiest way to do this is by pressing Control-M on Windows or Command-M if you are on a Mac. This action will automatically create a new slide after the slide you are currently on. It is really simple to duplicate slides on Google Slides. All you need to do is select your slide, right-click, and pick Duplicate Slide. Next up, let's focus on how to move a slide in Google Slides. To move one of your slides, click on it and drag it to where you want it to be in your presentation. You also have the option to delete any slides. To delete a slide in Google Slides, select your chosen slide, right-click, and select Delete. If you want to do this even quicker, just tap the Delete key. Finally, let's look at how you can hide slides. By hiding a slide, you stop it from showing in your presentation without having to delete it. To hide a slide, select the slide or slides you want to hide, right-click, and pick Skip Slide. You will notice an icon appear of a crossed-out eye. This is the sign that these slides won't show on your presentation. To unhide those slides, just repeat the same action. Now, let's cover some of the benefits you should be aware of when working with Google Slides. One of the best aspects of Google Slides is the fact that all your work saves automatically within your Google Drive. The changes you make can be seen in real time, so anyone can make their own comments without overriding your edits. One of the best benefits of using Google Slides to create a presentation is how easy it is to customize slides from anywhere when you log into your Google account. While Google Slides collaborative capabilities are fantastic, the Google Slides interface is also excellent and perfect for turning a blank presentation into something beautiful. Just like Microsoft PowerPoint, you can add speaker notes, create an original theme, add relevant imagery and data, and present visually appearing presentation slides. Thank you so much for joining us here at Simple Slides. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos and check out our blog for some other tips at simpleslides.co/blog. Take advantage of our free 3-day trial on Simple Slides so you can add some templates to your next presentation. See you next time.